and welcome back to my channel The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Himanshi Singh and today's video is a very special video because I recently got my hands on this amazingly made in India bags that are completely vegan and handmade. This is from brand Zouk and I have an office bag. It's so huge, it will cover me. Can you see me? See, it is this huge, and one of their classic wallets. So I'm going to show you what I can fit in there and what's in my bag usually, in my office bag and in my wallet. I'll make them separately. So let's get started without any further delay. Little bit information about this brand Zouk. So I saw their page on Instagram and a lot of bloggers and celebrities were using their product. So I thought maybe I'll purchase myself too, and there are a lot of designs to choose from. There's a wide variety of designs and patterns, and this is what I received from them. It says you now have a product that is proudly Indian and 100% vegan. This brand is certified by PETA. They use vegan leather and they also use fabric, Indian fabrics like ikat, jute, khadi. They have a variety of bags like office bag, tote bags, mini wallet, classic wallets. For men also they have something, and backpacks. So I chose this office bag because this will go good with my office work, with my clinic work, and also my colleges are reopening in May, so I think I'll be using this for my college. And this classic wallet because it is big enough to hold a lot of things. So let's start. What's in my bag and what I keep in my Zouk bags. This bag that I have is called Space Chakra Women's Office Bag, and it is made up of Indian fabric like jute, khadi and ikat, and you can see it is very beautiful design and two buckles, and it is made up of vegan leather. First and most important thing that I keep in my office bag is this laptop. And they have a proper pocket, proper space for keeping laptop. It's not just like कि मैंने ऐसे ही फेंक दिया अपने bag में. There is a proper space to keep your laptop. So I keep things like my charger, my headphone. Third, I keep my wallet in this. I'll show you what's in my wallet later, but I keep this wallet into this bag when I'm going to office or to college. So wallet. Next very important thing for me is I keep my diary in this because I tend to write things a lot. About my YouTube ideas or anything, so I keep this diary, and anytime if I have to write something important or make notes, so I keep this diary. And I also keep my stationery in my bag. Next thing, I keep a sunscreen handy because sunscreen is very important for me. I cannot go out without sunscreen. My skin burns like hell. I always keep a compact also because my skin is oily. Next, I keep a lip balm. It's a cute little lip balm. Lip balm is very important for me. I also keep a lipstick, in case I have to touch up. My sunglasses, very important for me. My hairbrush, in case I need to brush my hair. And sometimes I also keep, my camera into my bag if I have to go out for a shoot or something, or if I think that I will be clicking pictures. I'm going to college. I also keep my registers and small notebooks, notepads into my bag. And one thing I always keep these days is an extra mask. I keep a satin mask with me, in case the mask I'm wearing gets dirty or something happens. So I always keep a mask in there. So that's all I keep in my Zouk office bag. And it's pretty big enough to keep everything in place, and it's very lightweight. There are so many things inside this that if you have a heavy bag, your shoulders will get tired of this, but this is very lightweight bag, so it's very easy to carry your stuff around. It's very big, so even if you are going out on a trip and you want to keep your essentials handy, this bag is multi-purpose bag. You can go to college, you can go to office. I also keep some munchies and biscuit chips inside this. Right now I don't have because I ate all of them. And also keep my water bottle because I'm not going outside, so my water bottle is drying right now. So that's all I have in my office bag. This is how it opens, and now you can see my bag stuffed. It has a separate padded compartment to keep your laptop, to keep stationery. They have separate compartments. And it looks so beautiful with any dress, ethnic or western. It will look beautiful on all dresses. Now next come the wallet, what I keep in my wallet.
This is Zouk Classic Wallet in clockwork, and you can see how beautiful and spacious and big it is.
We'll talk about what I keep in my Zouk Classic Wallet. So this is the most spacious wallet I've ever purchased, and I hold it like this, very handy. And it has a pouch here, little pouch, and then it opens up into the main space like this. So obviously my wallet contains my IDs, my debit card, my credit cards, and there is a cute little picture of my little brother. And this is the coin bag where I keep coins. This is the money bag where I keep my cash. And there is enough space to keep your phone, keep your camera. If I want to keep my camera into this, there is enough space. There are times when I'm don't want to carry a big bag. I'm just going to meet a friend or just going outside for shopping or anything. I always carry my wallet, and I keep my phone here, my cards are here, my cash is here, and I'm sorted. And also I carry a little bit of cosmetics with me. I carry a lipstick in my pouch always, and there are a lot of ties, hair ties and hair clips that I like carrying, in case I wanna tie my hair. So my wallet is very, very important, and when I'm carrying this bag, I just pick up my wallet like this and I pack it in the office bag.
Again, this is a very, very trendy and very beautiful wallet. It will look good on any dress, western or ethnic.
So if you ask me about the quality, these bags are superior quality, very, very high quality. You can use them like any, कुछ भी rough and tough घिसन bags को use करो, एक धागा भी नहीं निकलेगा, कुछ भी fade नहीं होगा, और ये क्लॉथ के बने हुए हैं, तो कोई आपको टेंशन भी नहीं है कि कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा इन पे गंद वंद कुछ लग गया तो बस ऐसे गीले कपड़े से मिटा दो, ऐसी कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है. And they come in a variety of designs, and their zip is very, very smooth. So I loved about the brand most that they provide you superior quality, and you can check their website, you can check their Instagram page. The link is in the description box. If you want to purchase these two, the link is in the description box. And if you want 15% off on your purchase, use my code Himanshi15. I'll write the code. Code is in the description box too. And you can purchase these high quality Zouk bags. I think I have ever used an Indian brand that is so environmental friendly, so high quality, and they're handmade and such pretty. I'm in love with these bags. I'm in love with this brand. I'm planning to purchase more. Go shopping, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below if you want to ask anything about this video or about anything. Just comment down below, and I'll answer all your queries, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.